Vape mixer, vape mixer. Come gather round with vape mixer.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the vape message. I've just realised my microphone's on the wrong way round. Hang on. Wait. Stop knocking the camera. Is that better? I hope that's better. So, yeah, hi. Welcome back to the channel. You know, I'm gonna leave that in. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not editing that. I'm leaving that in. Why not? Screw it. Yeah, I've got another unboxing today. I have a device to unbox. Can't quite get away with it on YouTube just yet, but no. Right, 17th of January is when I can start showing more on this channel again and return back to normal service. That's when I'm coming back in. But yet, no, the forces of YouTube's false strikes are too strong. I can't get it fully in frame. Yeah, there we go. Screw YouTube. But yeah, that is what I'm looking at. It's the Elfliq Elfa Turbo, the refillable pod kit. By the look of the box, it's kind of designed like an original Elfbar. So I am kind of curious to have a look into it and see what it's like. But if you are on YouTube, I can't really show any more than what I've already done because, you know, the whole strike thing. But 17th of Jan, YouTube returns to normal videos. Yes, there we go. But for now, YouTube, I will see you in a moment. Hello again, YouTube. You've missed not really much. I've just been saying to the Rumble guys, it's kind of one of them devices that, because I was given it for free, I am going to use it. But if I had a choice, I would not choose it. I would not buy another one myself. I love the design of it. I love the appearance. I love how it looks. It works okay. I mean, it works good. The airflow could be better. An adjustable airflow, I think, would be amazing because adjustable airflow should be standard on these devices now. It's just my opinion. Let the user control it themselves. But I'm a little bit underwhelmed. You think Elfbar, you're going to get something that's going to be half decent, apart from the Join 1 shit that they released, which was faulty on the box. Videos up on my channel. Yeah, Elfbar are kind of letting me down a little bit recently. I'm not really sure what to say. Not really that impressed. But that is when we'll leave it for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And remember, 17th of January is when the false strike, what YouTube gave me, expires. And I can start posting full videos on my YouTube all over again. So make sure you hit subscribe or stay subscribed because they are coming back. Leave me a comment down below and make sure to hit the like button as well. It really is appreciated, guys. So thank you so much for watching. And okay, bye.